Hello, welcome. Today let me explain you a problem of chapter circles as per the request of someone. Okay, let us have that. A quadrilateral ABCD has been inscribed in a circle with center O such that AD is equal to CD. The tangent ST meets the circle at D. CD is produced to E such that angle ADE is 120 degree. Find angle ADS. If we read like this, we won't understand anything. As for the given question, let us draw the figure and try to understand. A quadrilateral ABCD has been inscribed in a circle with center O. So let me draw a circle. Center is O such that ABCD is a quadrilateral. So let me draw the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is the quadrilateral inscribed in a circle with center O such that AD is equal to CD. Okay. The tangent ST meets the circle at D. Tangent ST meets the circle. This is S. T tangent meets the circle at D. And tangent ST meets the circle at D. CD is produced to E. CD is produced to E such that angle ADE is 120 degree. This complete angle is 120 degree. If it is so, find angle ADS only. This angle you have to find out. Okay. So here we have to use the properties of circles. Let us see what is given. Mostly these things, what is given, something is given means something is hidden there. That we have to try to understand. AD is equal to CD given. Let us join OA, OD, OC. Okay. Let us join OA, OD, OC. Now, and angle ADE is given 120 degree. You know that the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral, ABCD is a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle. That means ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. You have learned that the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to its interior opposite angle. So if this is 120 degree, angle ABC will be 120 degree. For this quadrilateral ABCD, angle ADE is an exterior angle. To this angle ABC is the interior opposite angle. So if this is 120 degree, this is 120. Let me write that and show you. Your solution. What is given is ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. It is given that quadrilateral inscribed in a circle given. I am writing cyclic quadrilateral. I think nothing is wrong. Okay. Cyclic quadrilateral. Angle ADE is equal to 120 degree. That is what is given. Then join OA, OC, OD. Why I am written? Because to join it is not given the question that we have done. So I have written that. Then AD is equal to CD given. AD is equal to CD also given. I hope this is clear. So now angle ADE is equal to angle ABC, that equal to 120 degree, because exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to its interior opposite angle. Reasons are to be written within the brackets always. This is 120 degree. Now you see, for this quadrilateral ABCD, this is angle ABC subtended by the arc AC or arc ADC at the circumference. That means angle AOC, that is reflex angle AOC, you can see, is equal to twice of this angle. So reflex angle AOC, for this angle we say angle AOC, but this is reflex. You know that if the angle is more than 180 degree, it is said to be a reflex angle. Reflex angle AOC is equal to twice of angle ABC. Why? Because angle at center is equal to twice of angle at circumference. So the properties which you have learnt, you have to apply them. So reflex angle AOC is equal to 2 into 120 degree, that is equal to 240 degree. So this angle is 240 degree. But you know that AD is equal to CD. AD and CD are the two chords of the circle. You know that equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. That means angle AOD is equal to angle COD. But total angle reflex angle AOC is 240. So what happens? This is equal to this. It will be this by 2. Angle AOC is equal to angle AOD. AOD is equal to COD, that is equal to 240 degree by 2, that is 120 degree. Why these two are equal? Again, that reason you write. Equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. Clear? So now we got this is 120, this is 120. Okay? We have to find angle ADS. This angle we have to find. I hope you know angle ODS is 90 degree. This is the angle between the tangent and the radius, 90 degree. And if you are able to find angle ODA from 90, if you subtract this, you will get the required angle ADS. And in this triangle AOD, we got angle AOD. So we will be able to find angle ADO and angle ODAO. So let me up here and do that. In triangle AOD, let us find angle ODA. In triangle AOD, OA is equal to OD. OA is equal to OD. That implies angle OAD is equal to angle ODA. Okay? So, angle ODA is equal to angle OAD equal to 180 degree minus angle AOD by 2. Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. From that you subtract this angle AOD 120 by 2 gives each of these angles. That is 180 minus 120 degree by 2, that is 60 by 2 gives you 30 degree. So we got angle ODA 30 degree. We have to find angle ADS. Angle ODS is equal to 90 degree. This complete angle is 90 degree because angle between tangent and the radius, tangent and radius at the point of contact, and the radius is 90 degree. Now therefore angle ADS is equal to angle ODS minus angle ODA. ODA. ODA is 90 degree and angle ODA we got 30 degree. So we get 60 degree. So angle ADS, that is the required angle, is 30 degree. I hope this is clear to you. You can write therefore angle ADS is 60 degree. Angle ADS is 60. What is asked? You have to write clearly, and therefore angle ADS is equal to 60 degree. Okay? I hope this is clear to you. Please go through it. You will understand. Many properties are used in this problem. Yes or no? Here one property. Many properties are used. Here we use one property. Here we use one property. Here we use one property. Here we used. See, all very important question. Almost all the properties are used in this particular problem. Okay? I hope this is clear to you. Please go through and practice it. Thank you.